Benua
Right.
na biasa iburbura
Dorminaka.
na bikor mo biti na pimbarabi na sokwa sa boli na mataka ngo
Alright.
liyan rin mata pinaka na bibali bola obombo ta suba o beach todo ko
Right.
a sea of blue colors ni ko
Okay.
Right.
kasi ni kuwa na sige mata bombo ni
Right.
kuwa weekend na dagadak
Kaya ni ko kala blue kedi.
bagandua
Right.
Yeah, because Fiji Day is tomorrow. We will be celebrate today because tomorrow is a holiday.
Yeah.
And also to all the people around the world.
Alright.
They are part of Fiji.
Yeah.
They will be celebrate too, depend on the day they will be there.
Right.
And the date.
Right.
Thank you very much for supporting our beautiful island of Fiji. Good morning to Sitay Ame and
Right.
also the gang going down to Singatoka, Nuna, Ombuka,
Right.
Ombola, Vatican Revenue, Nambukile Transport,
Okay.
or Ratundobi, Ame, Vatike Ate, Lambongi,
Right.
o Sitay Ame, Binawali, Unasimatic, my name, Mataka Binanikuwa.
Hey, we say good morning to Aseri, the bus driver of the deceased Nandawa.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dombula.
Right. Tuning into VTFM this morning. Raw and Rabanaka. The fella.
Yeah.
Sumo to chicken and Ruchu tutua.
O Kento.
Yeah.
Rona Pentagon Brothers go.
Yeah.
Boy chicken na turango wando chicken bi patalaki na nandreba nimba stura nimba.
Oh, yeah.
Ro boy chicken na. Wala
Yeah.
nimba na tuya ni na bugani bi levi na mataka vinaka dina.
Yes, a Fiji Day is celebrated annually on October 10th
Yeah.
to mark two significant events in Fiji's history.
Right.
The cession of Fiji to Britain in 1874,
Yeah.
but the independence in 1970.
Esa.
Yeah.
Tex
what?
Basu, Zek Ndau Singa, Chesoni Rokoloa, Sen Finau, Iskeli Tabakaudoro,
Alright.
Chopera Diri Sabenada, Waisina Rusa, from the Sidomich crew.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining today.
Na bola family may mid road.
Yeah.
Na wayan ro chicken ngor tondo bol taki rochi kari toka batake na juice and na bachini ngon sale mid road.
Yeah.
Wayan ro tiani bambula ni bikem to sara.
Yeah.
Na bola family banu ni binaka tiani and na boku ni bitoka ni na matake ni ko.
We say good morning, a very good morning to Susana Wati Marabu.
Gori.
Boni binaka na boli kana lebe na korturanga sibana binaka tai.
Tai, Andra.
Ito mambo tani yung bulong binaka tiko sa usan daw ndro ka ngabitai.
Yeah.
Na itaka ni ulu na nabi mata.
Hidden angel.
Ito totoka tu bago tindageni kina.
Iyo, isa.
Ha?
Inabali mo
Kina
na.
matan ren ni chuya.
Iya.
Sa nganita nga na Fiji Day.
Do no mo binaka saranga.
Yeah.
Ro Mariana siya mo chikin ko may gaji.
Yeah.
Banu ni binaka tiani na boku ni bi tokan ni ngudaku.
Yeah.
Na bali sara. Ko ando na ko na maramani na moshiko. Siya nga bukon ni dala to ko eru na sugo.
Mai.
Na ouch pa lang iso. Wata kinanda nga mo tuno ko. O di ko ngon lanchi lele ya.
Yeah.
Sa mandilan na boss.
Nrau mula ke mrau.
Naman look like one Kasif.
Kasi,
Look like one Kasif.
mamula to kay Maramataw, Minamoski, Kemunisara,
Right. Romariama.
from Romariama,
Yeah.
and also to all the Ganakato.
Right.
Bernati na gang ni Musundobu,
Right.
joining from all over the northern part of Fiji.
Alright.
Not forgetting the western side of Fiji.
Yes, good
Thank
morning,
you
good
to all the
morning.
drivers, to all the Sartari,
Right.
to all the team leader,
Right.
gang leader, for being part of the Ghana
Right.
this morning.
Dreamland tours, Texas and tours may lambas ako.
Yeah.
Panakian Boso o Amit. Ko
Yeah.
sa nga man nindo dalatan na BTFM
Ano binaka, ano binaka?
Kaya kami sa yan binaka. No bala ko tu sarang na naman ni taon nila may lambasa.
Lumayan ko sala.
Lumayan ko sala bedo ka.
Yeah.
May masay kay coach na turango o Amit.
The story about the Lambasa and the to Sabu.
Oh, very good.
How long you come there?
No, like I just went there last year.
Right.
On one road show, and this is the second road show. I saw your footprint.
Lambasa.
Labas sa
Everywhere.
Oh, everywhere ko na sisibikaw.
Okay, yung footprint din kasi sini mo dulu.
Yeah.
Ito balita ka sarto nga.
Yeah. All the back road there, you
Yeah.
can see your footprint there.
Yeah. And you know what?
What?
Beni the kauli tambua, Beni
Right.
betin tambua,
Yeah.
awatabale from Nakabi now in Rambi.
Oi,
And
oi.
Baja joining too. They are joining now.
Kiara.
They said like this. Hey,
Yeah.
we are kami sa sortal tu nakanaik.
Iyo eh.
Ini puno ni Marabi.
Ikan rok.
Dinasar.
Oh, mula binaka tabale.
Yeah.
Awat kebaj binan ini binaka na budi bengkarabi.
Okay, our story about that cat.
Oh, this is a story about
Yeah.
different place,
Yeah.
different source of profit.
Yeah.
Hindi na nanda puri-puri nila po.
Yeah.
So some of us we plant ginger,
Yeah.
some cassava, some dalo,
Yeah.
some copra,
Iyo.
some raba,
Right.
some coffee.
Right.
Yeah.
But these people they are planting cocoa.
Oi.
One day, There's a time.
Koko bata.
No, the cocoa
okay,
from
cocoa,
the
yeah.
forest.
Oi.
Yeah.
Cocoa tree.
Yeah, the cocoa tree.
Right.
So they was planting. This place was also known as cocoa
Territory.
area.
Yeah.
So, so they come together. They planting.
Right.
This is because we get money from cocoa.
Yeah.
And don't know buru-buru
Source
tini
of
labo.
income. Source of income.
Source of income to the
Yeah.
family, not only to the family.
Right.
Some of the students, the children,
Ah.
now they are working.
Yeah.
Their fee, they're coming from cocoa.
Right.
Dira Sara.
So the family, now the house is big.
Right.
Yeah.
Source of income was from cocoa.
Right.
Yeah.
So one day,
Cocoa pod.
the cocoa was being
Family.
abroad
Yeah.
by the family in that village.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they knew one day
Yeah.
there was like this.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Something wrong with our
Cocoa.
with the cocoa because like this last year
Yeah.
we gained 60 grand
Right.
Yeah, from Coco.
from cocoa.
Yeah.
This year.
This year the profit we get from this is 40 grand.
Right.
Saya
It's decrease.
20,000.
Drop.
Decrease. It's
Yeah.
drop.
Right.
I don't know what's wrong.
But
Yeah.
we planting more plant now.
Yeah, more plant. But we see the plantation
Yeah.
growing well.
Right.
Yeah.
We see the cocoa
Right.
build well.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, as a committee,
Yeah.
who eats the money?
Right.
Don't make a kanina ilamo.
Yeah.
They look at the all the book and pen
Many questions have been asked, yeah?
are being asked by the people.
Who
Yeah,
told
yeah.
you to take the money?
Who take the money?
Yeah.
Money they do.
Yeah.
Sa artong wala mai.
Yeah.
They come together. Okay, the people are, hey,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you take the cocoa.
Yeah.
No, I didn't take the cocoa.
Yeah.
You take the money of the cocoa. No, I didn't take the money of the cocoa.
Yeah.
So whose problem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's the problem?
Right.
of
Why
the-
the profit getting down?
Yeah.
Uh.
Sarabital no naliuni koro.
Yeah.
So Turani, the headman, village headman,
Yeah.
call the village.
Yeah.
Right.
He book a date
Right.
to match the
Yeah.
spirit.
Right.
Na elon roer na tuna koro because some of them
Yeah.
they are very
Aggressive.
shortcut.
Yeah.
Real to tolo.
Yeah.
Kan dong di salah.
Erdo yellow to tolo.
Yeah.
So he choose Monday because he just came back from Sunday.
Yeah.
Monday. Call one priest.
Monday,
sit
no
and one prayer before we have a meeting.
Uh.
So what's the problem?
Yeah.
Naturani koro.
Ate bu.
Thank you very much to ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Today the only main ndabui.
Yeah.
After the ndabui people are full in the house.
Yeah.
The main topic of today
What's this?
we have to look after what makes the cocoa
Oi.
drop
Yeah.
from the income we get from the last year. We match them together with this year.
Yeah.
People are watching it.
What's what?
Okay, I think the dropping of the income from the cocoa,
Yeah.
maybe we does not plan more.
Yeah.
Right.
We don't have money wa.
Right.
Yeah.
Ada satu kuna mo irabe matang
Daw good money wa.
Irabe matang kali.
Ulumale.
Iwali, ulumale.
Yeah.
Right.
Me lakina.
De lako sombe ka nangoner sambuto ko tsuno Coco.
Maybe some of the kids are stealing from the cocoa.
Right.
Lako sotal me ka menan sotal la koro sa mer may nakita ka tsuno Coco.
Maybe the village hall is coming, they are tempting the cocoa.
Mendara naman de lako to na mati di Coco.
Maybe there was one disease of the cocoa tree.
Right.
Sa doon men ka na ka kesa me sa to lay reda man da solo turbo.
Yeah.
Merto er lay an ramo man da nambong.
We are looking for, we need to do something. If no, we are looking for peer pressure to come to look and security our cocoa.
Agriculture.
Yeah. Lama sa kire man da tabandite merto marida.
We are looking for the agriculture people to come and look for.
Ela ko sarang may na minister ni agriculture mo kina head na northern division.
We are thanking to the northern for being part to look after them.
To marida kina mo hindi ka na leb senga. Kakede to tu na Coco em bulong-bulong na kasindo na kina mate.
Right.
Yeah, na Coco eli tsunga pa sorry.
They are taking all the century into the laboratory room
Yeah.
to go and look for the thing for them.
Yeah.
Nothing. We compared to what we saw.
Wala inda mo ebita na duro na longo ni Coco ng bongi.
Yeah.
Erong mo tsunga na masa-masa ni Coco mandu.
Yeah.
Yesin indora tamate mbasi ken longo ni Coco.
Sindra ka.
Five people in the living room. They going to the cocoa tree.
Yeah.
They down them. They listening.
Yeah.
There's only voice of the footprint.
Kata what?
Footprint.
Only the son of the footprint, but can't see anyone.
I can't see anyone.
Boss katara mo hosta la polisongo.
Next meeting, agenda.
Arto sa may baso may tutok na tabaring agriculture dito daw tuloy ka to doko.
Yeah.
Kakiri biro to dorbo. Ni sirin do na tamat embase ka na longa ko ko nambungi.
All the expert people, they are coming forward. They are telling them that the result, there's nothing is good.
Do nga
Everything.
karto sambi to menon to report na dorbo.
Yeah.
Pati karto daw ni
Skuti.
Titi
Banji.
agriculture. Lore chuk sona maka ena tolo ni buni koko.
There's only one report that coming along is on the stem. We can see the marking still.
Scratch mark.
Scratch mark on
Iya. Maka
the...
endo kan ruba na
Yeah.
tolo ni be koko.
Who doing this? Who tara the vunikoko?
Okay.
So
Carry on.
people
Yeah.
are coming.
Yeah.
When they're coming, they see.
Yeah.
Oh, we
Now
see
they-
something.
Yeah, now they look for the solution now.
They're looking for the solution.
Yeah.
We
What evidence there?
take the glue.
Yeah.
No, don't we take the glue.
Yeah.
Kung namin glue ni... They knew, they see.
Yeah.
It's a red.
Oi! It's a red. Only one red.
Areta. Olive.
Oi!
Yeah.
On?
Areta. Sama ngomong ko ya. Areta. Hindi nga red.
Yeah.
Omong nga red. Olive. Nakalabo. Nakalabo isang ganito na koko. They are... Erba lutum sa nga nakalabo.
Right.
Na will ni koko.
Nilabo kara
Nilabo
dodon
kara
na.
dodon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Undol
We
na
know.
koko.
Yeah.
We know what's make
The problem is
Yeah.
the kalabo.
Yeah, the kalabo. The
Now
red.
the solution.
We are looking now for the solution.
Yeah.
Okay, we beg you for your mentality,
Yeah.
idea
Uh.
to be part of this problem.
Yeah.
Come, are, we take glue.
Glue what?
Me kami kina na kalabo.
Oi!
Super glue na maibo.
Lalo mo taralin ko.
Tarali ko mer kami. So from there, glue.
Yeah.
What for glue?
Yeah.
For
Oh
flour.
no, too much expense.
Expense there will go to the glue, and also when you take the glue, the red take the glue to the cocoa, and the glue is the cocoa.
Right. Nabele ka kaya na nandun na sa kami dalawang koko.
Let's we don't need adhesive
Yeah.
to be part of this
Nga nga na koko.
Cunis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the reta is the problem.
The red is a problem. The red.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
I have something.
Okay, doon ang kasi. Ba't ko na floor?
What gonna follow?
Yeah.
We have to look for the trap.
Right.
Yeah.
Hindi na kinantay.
Yeah.
Are, there's so many.
Yeah. They can eat the trap.
Yeah, they are big enough.
Yeah.
Because they're eating cocoa.
Gina, sir.
So imagine,
Yeah.
we are planting 5 grand,
Yeah.
5K plant of cocoa.
Right.
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
And imagine, there is 2 times double
Yeah.
the amount of red
Yeah.
inside the cocoa tree.
Right.
Right.
Sarabiri hivi.
Yeah.
Lima na unta lumandanga na buni koko tingo kena male nindua na buni koko.
Yeah.
Ene biya kaniti ko tulong kalabo.
Right.
We are looking.
Yeah.
Basa matunda ng kasi memori.
Ba't ko na
What
lang?
na floor? I got one solution. I got one solution. I heard you people talking up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
Nonsense.
Ape na na.
Yeah.
Hey!
Tawa nga.
Tawa
I
nga.
got one solution. This is a natural solution.
Yeah.
We need to look something like nonameda.
Yeah.
Nonameda na kalabo.
Enemy.
The enemy of the
state.
kalabo.
Yeah.
Because this is the only thing that will cure them.
Right.
Even though they didn't eat them,
Yeah.
they smell, they hide.
Right.
Right.
What's the solution? Taket.
Takit.
Iya, tuno ka nabus.
Another red.
Siya nga, nabus.
Oh, no, may nagtatala kalabo.
Tira na bus.
Nabus.
Yeah.
We looking forward for the bus.
Right.
To be part of that thing. Why the bus?
Yeah.
Atuno ka.
don't
Because
pay
the bus-
anything?
We don't pay anything. It's natural.
Yeah.
And they don't footprint the floor.
Yeah.
This is the only thing because that cat,
Yeah.
the rat, if they smell the cat,
Yeah.
they hide, they can come.
They smell each other.
Then
They smell each other.
Yeah.
Kanda minta sa susubusi.
Ah.
Sa ando ati na nang gumatutu be kemu ni natura na marama.
Yeah.
Kako talia da wambala mo na bosse.
Yeah.
Minta sa susubusi.
Right.
Susubusi to kiwa the rat.
Yeah.
Baleta.
Meron ba NLM 49?
Iyo, and alam ko din talaga mertuloy susubaka.
O TJ.
O TJ. TJ is the only one who
Yeah.
can kill them.
Right.
But na mo na
Okay, who steal you?
No koy bustilo, ko na mo na tukina kala mo tukina ko ya.
Asa mandu asar na punta pa na LM 49.
Ano?
Mandu asar na punta pa na LM 49 di Bikarua.
Sakay bango. Okay.
Yeah.
Lamu na muna numa.
Yeah.
What you think ka?
Ah.
Meda me sanda susubusi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sanda susubusi.
Susunod mo si.
Romada.
Pero mo si lebu-lebu.
Sakira itu be kemu ni lani koro.
Yeah.
Ena kemu ni baka kabi moni be mama. Be mama na kena musi. Be mama me kena na
Meron
tamata.
ba tumbukaw to?
Yeah.
Willy lebu ni koko.
Wili buni koko ke lima na undolo buni koko
Kami
mila
tolo
matal
komiti. Kami tolo komiti.
Kami tolo komiti, romala.
Kita tahu tak wili koko.
Na no mundo wili koko mila na ataki. Tolo libi na ngone, tolo wili.
Iya.
Le sumai.
Iya.
Ese ni lima na undolo. Na wili koko tibeti ko sarto na undolo. Okay. Wono na undolo talaga na busi. Dono buni koko. Dono na busi. Dono buni koko. Okay, sangai bongo na non ragarabi. E bila kati me bagato tolo taki na koko nakangon de kombo na koko. Okay, na la merkania. Okay. Dono tini sama ni. Na ngoni kana.
Arma talo busi.
Orto sabadi di bisnis tu lestoa. Arto kere. Ausa kere. Ausa komandani wadi di bisnis. Sarile bulan dinau.
Arto karo porno busi. Arto tanda tala kalabo.
Arto laka di bawa sarleando na buwan na sarleando na buni koko. Sarleando na buni koko. Na busi. Lako may nambatini lang iya. Rotal ni Kendru. Kalau tali tora kalabo. Kalau tora kalabo. Ay, okay mundo. Binabalik punja, happy Fiji Day in advance.
Isaka.
Michael, ulit lang kami ko nito lang.
Talo tagi sarmi lo manis toni ko cuma sama-sama.
Ya binak bikin na nabiyo kan ya na sono na ya tu kan nabi kara ni wali kinal lenga.
Iya, masa saya seran tadi wal rita rokas.
Na rong las to ya se ko seranga na wali lenga robi ronga roya. Botero friend nga robi meta kitalanga. En maru talanga kini labon bisnis na kensa ngam tu budan bisnis.
Siapa kan mersa susu lo busi biar makan di mana
Iya.
saya
Iya.
Na busi sarna busi sarna ngalo
Ya masa bangor ya na pafco factory misa tu kisaranga ni longan bi ko.
Pakan tu.
Bina boleh besar na borong sumai ha kita bombo tele ni nomaro taka chuka na italo ni busi.
Right.
Bata kena koko bata kena te ta gori bata kena kalabo.
Right.
Era mata ni ko me katunga ni nonta Fiji Day.
Right.
Era kana maru te tu ni mata ni berno ndena ni mata ka sa ndena rauni kuwa.
Right.
Nonta bisi ni mata ka da seri kila. Da sabi pa lo nganga te chuka na bio kani. Manta maru ta chuka sini ko. Non mu like, non mu share, non mu heart. Asa ngiri mo ko karoti jelen pun nem sa manto sa na mon. Iya.
Iya,
Nanti saya tak tu ada video ko.
Wali belaka.
Namanya Punja's new cream biscuit so creamy in every bite. Na vito ko rin na Ouch Palangi show.
Right.
Era vem matak.
Dua rotolu, happy Fiji Day. Dua rua tolu. Happy Fiji Day. Mori.